do it. Are we right, live? Yes, it looks like we are. Hello and welcome to another episode of GameHammer Live for live game coding. I am Zoe Kirk-Robinson, as you might know, and it's probably the last time that we're going to be coding a game this year because I'm hoping to finish our game. That would be nice, wouldn't it? So let's have a look at who's in the chat, and it is Sir Patrick Furlong. Like button has been tickled. Thank you very much. And James Pets, hello. Good to see you both. And let's get straight into it. Let's bring up the buttons that do the work. Boing, here we are. So I've already loaded the game. We're going to have a quick test of it. I think we all know what it's like by now, but we need to make sure that it works. So I'm just going to bring up my joystick, which is managed every single week. Every single time I do this, it manages to tangle itself in the other wires. So let's see how we get on. Old Roland here has to pick up 30 odd different objects now to get through this game. So we're going to try our best and do that. Whoa! Oh my goodness, I died already. How typical of me. Patrick says, what did you think of the text adventure I sent you? Sir Patrick has created a text adventure version of Treasure Island Dizzy, which I am looking forward to actually giving a try of. So I'm thinking that I think we've got another GameHammer Live before Christmas. I will be taking the week between Christmas and New Year off for GameHammer Live. We'll be putting out the probably the game of the year for the next one, I think 1986 or 1987 or something like that. Putting that out instead. But next week, if there is another GameHammer, I'm going to be playing that live on air. So far, what I've seen, Sir Patrick, it looked rather fun, and I kind of liked it. So I'm going to have a look at that and see how it goes. I've gone too high up on this, haven't I? Yes, I have. Need to jump to that. Whoa. This one only has 3. That's... oh, well. Well, I'll see what I can do with it. It sounds like Dizzy 3.5. Do you remember that on the Spectrum? Dizzy 3.5, Into Magic Land. I had a lot of fun with Into Magic Land. I think I need to do a quick GameHammer on it at some point. Like a really short one. But we'll see what happens. Boink. And... oh, actually, I might save 3.5 as an extra for when I do a Dizzy retrospective, the way I've done the ice hockey games and things like that. But yeah, we'll have a look. So we've got 11 of the gifts so far. Oh my goodness! Died on the extra death pit that I added in. So let's go down and we need to get that one there. So 11 so far. We've got a fairly big game now. We do have extra rooms to go though. As we saw on that first room, there is a space with a ladder at the top. So we need to do something with that. Just a proof of concept as Patrick. Fair enough. Right, we have an issue here because you can't go that far up. So if I walk down here and come across and back across, that kind of works. So wait for this one. No! Oh, Roland! But anyway, we know what to do. So we have a fair amount. James Pets, you are right. We have a fair amount to do. But we need to go into the text menu so far because I have a feeling that we can create an intro. So if I do this, let's see what we can do. Roland goes rescuing 2. Patrick says, got to work out the conditions so you can be in the water with the snorkel. I believe all you need to do is set a flag. You set the flag when you pick it up, unset it when you drop. Help Roland to rescue Christmas from the naughty goblins who stole... nope, can't fit. Stole all of Santa. All of the gifts Santa was... nope. I'm going to give to the good little girls and boys of the world. so Santa can make his joystick only. Hello to Frozen Well, how you doing? Patrick says, I set a flag for the box to work. Should be a similar thing then, Patrick. Joystick only, press any key to continue. Coded live on YouTube by Zoe Kirk-Robinson. Special thanks to Sir Patrick Furlong, James Pets, Yellow Belly, and everyone who... Oh, I can't leave it like that. Everyone who watched GameHammer live game coding. Right, that should do it. Why is there... There, I left out a hyphen from my own name, which you would have thought I would know how to spell, but apparently I don't. Okay, this should work. Can I not go up? All the little... If I cut out good, then I might be able to get... Yeah, I can. I can get that onto there. Okay. Right, that should fit. So if I leave it like that, and that is message 5. So let's go into, where is it? Events and game initialization. No, event, for goodness sake. Events, game initialization. Okay. Let line equals 1. Let column equals 1. What was it? Message... I think it's message 5. Is it wait key? I believe it's wait key. So we need to add in a CLS, of course. Okay, wait key. Yeah. And also text T for... That is message 5, yes. James Pets says that I get a credit just for watching a live stream and making silly comments. Hey, you invented the pudding bonus. Of course you get a credit. Save. So this should work. If we test the game, it should print that screen before doing anything else. Test the game. Roland goes rescuing 2. So we need to move back 1. Help Roland to rescue Christmas, blah, blah, blah. Press any key to continue. And then the game starts. So there we go. We now have an intro, which means that we don't need the thing that I coded to try and load it, which means that we've got a better chance of making this thing work. Test the game. Now it's got weird things on the end of it. That's not good. Oh. Oh, that's not good. We'll have to work that out. Right, so the game seems to work, though. And then we just go into it as normal. And let's see what happens. Now we go. Then it jumps back and it kind of drops us out. So that's not what we want, is it? But we're getting there. Events. Kill player. It doesn't ever check that if... We've got a message 4, which is very annoying that it doesn't work. Sound 3, sound 0. You've missed a Y at the end of naughty. That would not surprise me at all. T for text. Previous, let's check this. Oh yeah, I have, from the naughty goblins. No, don't do that. Don't. Go back. Save the game, because I think it's cleared out whatever issue there was from the text. Let's try that. Yeah, now it look, well, it's got a question mark at the end, but never mind. Okay, that we can deal with. So there we are. So that works. Now we're getting, oh, no. Now we're getting some corruption coming in. This is one thing that does happen sometimes. So I'm going to reset the game, reset the machine even. Good thing we saved. And we need to load in from Sakura the game again. AGD CPC. Run AGD. There is a bit of an error in Arcade Game Designer version 1.4, which is what we're using, where if you edit a large amount of text, it will cause issues. So insert, see what happens. Desktop, wrong goes rescuing to A. Oh, hang on. We need to make sure that that's not write protected. Otherwise we can't save. Test the game. Nope, that's the demo game. That's the demo game. Load the game, yes. Helps if we load it. Let's see what happens here. Test game. From all the naughty goblins. And there is a corruption on that particular sprite. Is it still there when we come back through? Yes. That particular sprite has managed to get corrupted, and I don't know why. So we're going to have a look at sprites S. No, they're objects, aren't they? Yeah, that one's managed to get corrupted. So we'll just fix it. It's not an issue. A little bit of corruption. Like I say, there is a... This is... It's not exactly alpha test, but it's not exactly final product for the software we're using. So we're using in-development software to develop a game, so there's going to be issues like that. So there we are. Should be all right now. There we are. So it's all working now. So things corrupt. Never mind. 7.9k free. So let's have a look at this. We have 3 more rooms to build at the end of this Roland one. There. And then, where is our first one? There. We have a ladder going upwards, so we need at least one there. And I'm thinking we do it like a few. We'll see how this goes. So, screen layouts. If we go back to the Roland question mark one, that's where we're building our next one. So we've got a lot of weird stuff. So we have a barrier here, and it's bubbles. So let's create a new screen of bubbles, and then go from there. So let's do this. There we are, bubbles. And I'm thinking we come down like this and make kind of wave area. Make the room look like Jenny's attic, says Patrick. Yeah, we'll have Jenny's attic as a final room above the starting room. That would be interesting. So that is where we're going to leave it there with that. But we're going to have water underneath. I'm going to just use the fill command to fill all of this in. So it's all bubbly. And the idea of this is that we can then create some kind of whale, which will be the big enemy for this particular room. I think that would be nice. It'll probably spurt or something from its funnel or something like that. We'll see how it goes. But I want something a bit different in these, just to finish the game off, you know. We've got a few K left, so we can play about. Probably not going to have any background music, but we'll see if we can get some sounds working later on and see how we go from there. So let's have some clouds. Where's that? There, that. Clouds. Big cloud. Do, 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 do. And in this room, the object to pick up will be a toy ship, a toy submarine. I think that'll work out nicely. Just as a little daft thing, you know. And maybe one. No, instead of a whale, let's have a pirate. Let's have a pirate and a whale. That'll be fun. There'll be the enemies in here. That'll be cool. And the pirate, as he goes along, can wave his little sword. That'll be nice. I think that'll be cool. So let's leave it like that. So we've got plenty space. And create some objects. We want a new object. Yes. Oh, hang on. No. Map. We need to put that room in, otherwise we can't set anything. So, let's find the new. Is that it? No. That's not it either. That's it. Number 17. We'll set the starting place there. Sprite Positions N. Where would we start in here? Roland will probably start about here, won't he? Okay, so objects. We need to set an interesting colour. Let's have... How about a banana boat? If you take bananas, you can distract them. That would be so cool. You know what, James? If I had the time to do that, I would, because that is a great idea. But I don't think we do, and that's the problem. So we're going to build a generic boat with a big sail on it. And a smaller sail as well. Which is making me wish that this year I'd had more time to go out and actually sail my boat. I say my boat, Jen's boat. I miss being able to do that. This year has been weird, guys, hasn't it? At least it's almost over. So that's as far as it'll go there. So I'm coming down a bit like that. Patrick says, sorry, I forgot to wrap your presents. Don't worry, I opened it and instantly enjoyed the stuff. It was cool. Thank you very much. So, can we put a little thing on here? Yeah, that'll do. Just to give it a little bit of something. So, objects. Kind of need to start its position, don't I? It's room 17. And because it's a boat, it should be on the ground, on the water. I think that's right. Let's test. Almost right. Oh, it's almost right. That's cool. So if we just move it across one little bit, objects, position, and leave it like that, and then test the game. Yes! There we go. How about making Jenny the major end of game boss? Oh, ho, ho. Oh, you know, that sounds fun, actually. I might do that. Objects. Copy that. I'm going to have another boat in here. Paste that. Yes. But it's going to be a different colour because we can do that. So let's have a pink sail. Is that pink? It's like magenta, isn't it? And what can we do here? As it's, it can have like a couple of lines on its. There we are. How's that for a sail? Right, and for the actual thing, a white trim. Nice green. Where's the green? Good green, yeah. Let's put it like that. So it's a different boat. Totally not the same boat. Totally not the same boat. How about having the boat bob around so it's harder to collect? I don't know if we can do that. Have we done anything about objects moving? That would be interesting. That would be interesting. Well, once I've got it all set up, we'll see about doing that, because that's interesting. You've got my attention there. Hey, now we've got them. Right, so we need to, Those clouds need a silver lining, don't they? Let's see. What we need a sprite. Create a new sprite. Yes. Change the pen color. We're going to need a blue hat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No! I'll come back to that. Oh, come on. Where's black to black? There we are. Right, so we need kind of skin color, same as Roland. Right. There's his no, don't insert frame. What are you doing? No, pen. I keep pressing I because I'm used to drawing the objects now. So give him an eye. And he needs a beard. A massive, no, massive bushy beard. What colour beard can he have? Gonna have brown, dark brown. Big old bushy beard for a pirate. Arr, arr. And all of that. Arr. I cannot do a pirate voice. For talk like a pirate there, it's a bit sad because I can't do it. Arr, Jim lad. I am terrible at that. So let's have he's gonna wear blue because he's a well-dressed pirate who's totally not being made up as I go along. So we can only go that far down. So he's gonna have to have a belt like that, and his trousers. I like that. Yep, that looks like a pirate to me. Definitely like an like an Irish pirate. What can I say? No, don't insert a frame. Don't keep pressing the wrong button. Where's his skin color button? Where's it? There. So, pirate needs a parrot. Yes, we can have that as a different enemy. That would be cool. Right, there's his. And he's going to have dark boots. So, copy that. He hasn't got a sword. Never mind. Copy that. Insert a frame. Yes. Frame. Paste the frame. Yes. And his feet will go forward. No, don't insert frame. P4. Oh, come on. Where is it? No, that one. There you go. Insert frame. Yes. Next frame. Paste. Yes. Copy that frame. Insert a frame. Yes. Next frame. Paste. Yes. So he goes like this. So we're going to move his arm on this one. So we need the arm colours. Where's the arm colours? And there, there, and there. So that one. And where is it? Where's his skin colour? There. So you can't really see his hand, but never mind. Yeah. Actually, that's not going to work because it now looks like he's dislocated his shoulder. So take that out and put that there. Copy that and paste it into this frame. Yeah, that works. Now he works as sprite number 10. Okay. So we need another sprite because James suggests pirate needs a parrot, and James is correct in that we need a parrot. Now we're going to have to do a very generic parrot because I don't think I can get much out of this in terms of birds. Well, this looks terrible already, but never mind. We'll see what we can do. Oh my goodness, my ability to draw is on an Amstrad is terrible. Where's yellow? We've got yellow, haven't we? Yes. Feet. This is awful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what have I done? I've made a monstrosity. This is a bird that begs for death every morning. Oh my goodness. What have I done? I'm gonna do its I'm gonna do its wings as red, just so it's got something different on it. This is the most ridiculous parrot ever. Right, copy that. Insert a frame. Paste that. Oh my goodness. Okay, and I think we need to change the green. Let's see if I can find the green that I used. So, that. Move that there, and then take out that one. So it looks like it's flapping, and then move its feet back a bit. No, don't insert a frame. Where is it? Where's the yellow? Right, and insert another frame. Yes. Next frame. Paste the one we've already got. Yes. Copy that frame. Insert another frame. Yes. Paste that frame. Yes. There we are. It's a weird looking thing, but yeah, that'll do. Right, all of the house idea. Emily has hidden Tesrin's tea supply in her desk and down. No, Dad, Emily would never do that, because Tesrin would never leave. Sprite positions. Right, so we need a sprite, create a sprite. Yes. There's a pirate, and he is going to roam around. He's going to probably roam about there, from there. And his type will be 5? Or is it 6? Create another sprite. Yes. Where is parrot? I'm going to have a parrot that starts about here, and it's just going to go up and down. Yes. And a parrot that starts about here. There's going to be a lot of enemies on this one, and it is type 3. Yes, and another pirate. Okay, let's test that. Oh, 6 doesn't move. That's interesting. I thought 6 moved. Sprite positions. Is 4 the one that moves then? Yeah. Every single time we do this, I have to try and remember. But I get it in the end. Go, 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 go. Yes, this is the one that moves. And they go backward and forward. Oh, move him out of the way so that he doesn't get in the way. Right, so we've got some interesting stuff there. We now need B for blocks. Create a new block. Yes. And it needs like a kind of like this. Very much just doing it as I, well, without any real idea of what I'm doing. Where's white? Where's white? There it is. And this will be a wall. And just as a kind of decorative thing, create block, yes, this is a space. It's going to be absolutely nothing in it. Something that I do in all of the house just to add texture to backgrounds. Like that. And to create block, yep. Another one with a light colour. Where's a light, very light blue? Like that. So, screen layouts for this one. Well, one of the pirates is coming in about there. So, it's like that. Take that out. So you can't jump through that. It's just wall. And that should stop him from going through it. Test the game. I wish I knew how to make those noises because they would be great for this game. So we're going to put in some of those just walk-through bits with the different colours and different dots here and there throughout the game after we've finished. Dude. Those gifts work, that's great. And let's create another one because we want another object. We want a submarine. We haven't got a submarine yet. Create, we all live in a yellow submarine. So let's have a yellow submarine. Where's the yellow? In the town where I was born, lived a man who sailed to sea and all of that. He told us of his life and we didn't believe a word of it because he was a notorious liar. He said he lived in a yellow submarine, but we don't believe him. We don't believe him. He said he lived in a yellow submarine, but we all think he was drunk. I believe that's how the song goes. I may be mistaken. I don't believe I am. What am I talking about, man? There we are. Yes. So we're going to have a windshield on the front because it'll be funny. Actually, no, we're going to have portholes down the side, aren't we? And on the front, just a bit of glass there. And very light blue, yes. Down the back for the propeller. What am I talking about? Doesn't need a propeller on the back like that. There. That's the submarine. Okay. Starting room is 17. Maybe you need a drunken sailor. Ambles about unpredictably. We can do one that ambles about. It wouldn't be unpredictable, though, because if there are ladders, he would climb them. There is something already coded in that would do that as a ladder climber. Objects, we need to reposition this object because it's difficult. Position there. See if we can... Is it? Yeah, that's going to be hard to get. Let's see if we can actually get it. So, oh, here comes the sailor. Get past him. And then over to here. And in. Oh. Oh! Oh, we got hit. We got hit. That was not good. Not good news at all. Let's see if we can do this. Come on, jump up to there. And can we get into that? No. Right, this is one higher. Can he get in? Yes, he can. But has to try and get past everyone. It's all about the timing. It's all about the timings, baby. Come on, do it. Wait for the sailor to go past. Yes. Jump up to here. Jump across. Can he get through this before that sailor comes back? And across and across. Yes, it is possible to get all of those. So, what objects are we up to now? That is object 41, which means there are 42 objects. 3 of them are lives, which means that we have 38 objects to collect. So events, we need to update the events. So we need to find G for the gifts. It's got the gift counter. G equals 36. That's interesting. I'm pretty sure we only need 38 now. But we've added 3 more objects. Interesting. So, let's save it at this point. G to save game. We are running out of space, of course, but we're going to get to the end of this. And need to create another screen. So the C, as we've got it, goes to there. So let's create another screen, and it will go up to there. And now I'm going to have it start to come back down with waves. And it's going to be an island on this side, because I'm trying to have this vaguely logical. It's not like some weird game where it just everything is all over the place, like every other game that I've created of this style. The Novabug one went mental at certain points. It's like, what the hell is going on here? So there we are. Right, we're going to come up to here, and that's going to be the jetty or whatever it is that we decide to have. Yeah, we'll have a jetty. That'll be cool. Okay. There we go. So now we've got water, and no, that's the wrong one. Where is it? Where's the bubble one? Where has it gone? There it is. Right, let's put some water in. There we are. 2, 3. Fill the area. 1 and 2, and then just fill the rest with the fill as we move function. So we've got over to one side now, and it's looking all right. Ba 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 ba. Do 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 do. Ba ba la ba ba da 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 do. Ba 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 da 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 da. Okay, so let's go back to putting in some clouds. Why have I pressed I? That's not the button I need. Where are clouds? Where's the clouds gone? There it is. And a little bit there. Just like that. Okay, so that's going to be alright there. Apparently Robin's magic, by the way, he can walk on water. But it is Christmas, miracles happen. Okay, so let's have sprite positions N. We need to insert a sprite for Roland. He would start about here. Why did I press enter? Sprite. No. Sprite positions N. Right, insert a sprite. Yes, we want the pirate. He's going to go up and down because he's type 3. And a pirate. Yes, he's going to go up and down as well because he's type 3. He's going to start going up and down there. And one more. A parrot, yes. Instead of a pirate, we're going to have a parrot. Where is he? Where's the... No, I've gone past him again. Yeah. Parrot there. 4. Type 4. About there. Okay. So now we need to go back to the screen layout and set some wall blocks. Because I want these to work out quite nicely. There we go. That should work out. Okay. And... oh, actually, you can't get up to those. We've put them too high. That should work. Right. So we need some more objects. Tell me another... yeah, we'll just copy that. Object. Now, create. Yes. Paste the object. Yes. But it won't be a yellow submarine this time. Let's have it as like a a green submarine. Because that way it looks like we've put some effort into thinking of these objects. I do like to change them up a little bit. "18 position. Where shall we put this? Down here where the waves are." James says they're very big waves. Christmas storm? Yeah, why not? Why am I even going into this? You can't get to that yet. Map. Set that as the starting position and test the game. Okay, well, that's wrong for a start, so Sprite Positions N. He shouldn't be type 3, he should be type 0, because that's the player. And W. He should be type 3. Did I forget to... I must have. Oh my goodness. So, right. And objects position. That's just wrong because it was in the wrong place. So let's see how that goes. And C for screen layouts. I'm just going to have to change that one a bit so that he doesn't go through it. Okay, test the game. Well, it kind of works, but not fully, so we need to sort something out there. Okay, screen layouts, and done that one, that one. Okay, what else do we need to do? Yeah, change the object position because it's currently inside something. O for objects. Yeah, O for objects. Position, come on. Location is all key. Test the game. Yeah, everything is working out fine for those. So that works. Okay. And what else do we need? We need one more thing. Well, let's put in another object for a start. Create object. Yes. We haven't had a kite yet. We haven't had a traditional kite. I think I would have remembered putting a kite in. Let's have a white on it for the string. Where is it? Come on. And a bit of wood down at the bottom to hold on to. Yeah. Bit of white onto that as well to look like it's holding it. Yep. A bit darker. Can we have something that's darker but not too dark so that you can see it? Yeah, that works. The kind of orange. And the design on it, what can we have for that? Nice blue. It'd stand out quite well, wouldn't it? Yellow will do. As a kind of cross. And some lines on top and bottom like that. And then maybe some different coloured lines on this side to make it look like it's got a pattern, but it doesn't really have a pattern. Well, that looks like a mess, but that'll do. Position that. Wow, that looks weird. That looks like a ball of, like a weird balloon. Okay, let's see how that goes. Test the game. Is it in the right place? No. Actually, that kite kind of looks good when it's not as big. That's the game. Right, can we get those two? Doink, and up. Go up. Nope, can't get there. Right. Yes, you can get it. Can you get this one? Yes. So, can we get to the top right corner? Because if we can put in another object. Yes, we can. We could get to the top right. Yeah, we can get right into the top right corner. Okay, so we can do that. Let's have another object. Object, create, yes. What can we have here? Oh, we had a Christmas tree at one point, didn't we? Where's the Christmas tree? James keeps asking about moving the objects. I think that would be a great idea. I just don't know whether we've got the time or the ability to do it. Right, copy that. Where's our kite? And my other issue is that the player doesn't know that the player doesn't know what they can pick up and what they can't, because we've got no identifier. So I don't want to make it too hard for people to identify what they're going to be picking up. Put that there and see if this works. Nope, need it further over. Object, position. See if that works. Yes, there we go. So it's 3 more to add in. There we go. Events, player control. Where is it? 3 more things. So now we're up to 41. There we go. Right. Right. Save the game. G. I hope this works out. Don't want to make it too hard for the player. What sort of 80s game developer are you? I know. My biggest... Whoa, 5.8k left. We're running out of space. My biggest issue is worrying that we've set the game to be really difficult for no reason. Right, these 2 here need to have rooms above them. And so does that one. And so does that one. So we've got to do some for that. So we need a room there, a room there, a room there, and a room there. So we're going to have like 4 more, and then that one. My biggest issue is that I don't want it to be horrible for people. To be able to work out what you can stand on and what you can't. What you can collect and what you can't. And at the moment we've established that enemies move, except for 2 issues where they're just stood there. So I don't want to make it too difficult for the player. I know that that's not traditional, but that's how it is. I don't want to make it too hard for them. So let's see how it goes. Right. Screen 18 block. Create another room. Yes. This is the final screen on this length. And then we have to do the 4 at the top, and then we're pretty much done. And then we'll get to testing things out and adding in a game over screen for when you don't win. So I'm going to now make this like a kind of village almost. Right, F, change that to wall. Where's like an ice wall? Where's the frozen ice? The one that I know is a wall. There it is. Go up. And like that. And what can we have as underneath? Where is it? There. That we can have that underneath. To go down. How anyone would manage to get into this bit, I don't know, but here we are. Let's fill all of this in. It might take a minute or two, and then we'll see how it goes from here. I don't know why I'm singing the popcorn song, but never mind. Okay, I'm going to spell something from, just as a little Easter egg, you know. Oh. Hi. Yeah, just because we can. So we're going to have a Christmas house made of presents. Why am I doing this? Because why not, basically. I'm building this house pretty much like I built the houses that I have in Minecraft. Come on, fill in. Yeah, that makes it better. Yeah. And what can we have coming out of a chimney? And smoke coming out of the chimney. Where's the smoke? Where's the smoke gone? So when you open the presents, the house disappears. Yes. Yes, exactly. And we'll have another one, and it's made out of green. Because why not? Can we make a roof again? Where's my... there it is. I'm enjoying this. It's ridiculous, but I'm enjoying it. There we go. We've got some houses. What other colour have we got that we can build a house out of? One that preferably isn't wall. This is the silliest thing, but, you know, that's part of the fun, isn't it? We're building a happy game to make people happy when they play it for free at Christmas, and that's all that counts. That's all that matters. So we've got a silly, silly place now. James Pet says it's delightfully deaf. Well, thank you. That's what I'm looking for. There we are. So that's just this place, and I'm thinking we'll only have one enemy in here. And for Sprite Positions, Roland is going to have to turn up. Yes, and he will start there. What? Every time I press enter, no. Set the map. Let's put this in. It's run 19. Right. Sprite Positions. We need to create a sprite. Yes. And this one will be... We haven't had a cheeky goblin for a while. So he's going to be there, and he's just going to go up and down. Standard type 3. And objects. Let's have a couple of objects in here. Actually, yeah, previous. No, don't change the position. Don't change. We haven't had a train for a while. No, we're going to use the train in a lot in Jen's place. Let's have a present. Where's a present? We haven't seen a present for a while. We've only had one dolly as well, so let's do something like that. Come on, give me a... Where's the gifts that I want to use? Shame we can't go backwards in this for copying the presents. Right, copy that. New position. Yeah, new object. Paste that. Yes. Start room is 19. Is that the right place? Start the game test. Yes! And we want to put another one on top of... He should not be going up there, so we've got to change that screen. Where is our block? That's the barrier one. Yeah, there. Okay, try that. Objects, we want another object. Copy that, create another object, yes. And paste that in, yes. But we're going to change the colours. So it's blue. Because that way it looks different. Yes, it's cheap, but this is how we roll. Yeah. And ink, we'll have greens for the central wrapper. That looks good. Yep. Lighter green for the outside part. Gives it a slightly 3D look. Where's the light blue for the outside? Yeah. Starting room is 19. No, not 20, 19. Position, and that will be on the other house. Test the game. Yeah, we got them in the right places straight away. That is great. Okay, so there we are. That's all we need. So, we're okay. Right, can Roland actually walk around this place? Yes, he can. How about that? Yes, he can. He can get everything. He can't jump over the walls, though. Ha-ha! Whoa, what happened there? Oh, because he comes in and hits the guy. So, sprite positions. Yeah, he has to start further up, otherwise it's an instant death trap. Okay, test the game. Yeah, it's fine now. Okay, so we're doing all right with this. And Roland can get that. Yeah. Right. No, let's have another sprite in this one. Let's have another sprite. Yes. Up there. Type 5. I have it there. Okay, save the game. Yes. Patrick Fallon says, James, Daft Ideas is Zoe's middle name. Catherine's my middle name, not Daft. I wouldn't be quite that bad, would I? Right, so we've got him there. You've got to be careful of him now if you go up that way. Which is nice. So yeah, the game works, and we've got everything we need. So test, quickly test, quickly test. How many objects do we've added an extra 2. Events, player control. I think we're done. So now we've got 43 to pick up. Right. Okay. Right. Set the map to start here. Okay. And save the game again, because it is working. Right, so we have like 4 rooms left to do, if I remember correctly. Let's have a look. So we have nothing going up there, nothing. We have 1 there. We need a room there, which goes up from that ladder. 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. So we have 4 more rooms to do. Let's do those rooms. Create a screen layout. Oh, it worked out where we were. I like that in this. It knows where we're going. Create screen. Yes. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What's going to be above it? That is the question. So let's say we're going to have the entire room and it's full of presents like a maze. And this is going to be just weird. Like that. Right across to the edge. And there's going to be no way out of this because it's not going to go left and right. There's nothing there. Why are we doing this? Because it looks odd. And I'm going to introduce a different kind of present in this room that we haven't seen before. And it's going to be like a barrier one to actually make this more maze-like. Just because I think it's important that we have something truly weird to make the player go, what's going on here? So, we're going to do that now. Screen 20. Create screen. No. Leave. Map. That one will go right above the one right at the end, won't it? Because that's the one, yeah. So, put that there. Yeah. And we need a block. And it's like this. Copy that. Can we create and paste? Will it let us? No, it won't. So, pen. We need, let's say, a different colored block. Yeah, that one will work. That's our pen. Right in the middle. Different color. And we need different wrapping. What can we have? Blue. Yeah, blue works. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, that looks atrocious. But it'll work. There we are. So that is going to be a wall. Go to screen layouts. We're now going to fill this area with blocks. Fill. We cannot get in and out of this room except via that ladder because right around the edge is a block. It's going to look awful. It really is going to look terrible. But it'll work. So let's do that like that. All the way up. And some of these are going to be barriers. Like that one there. Can't walk through there. Oh no. You think you can just walk through? Oh no, you can't do that. Little bit cruel at times, but I think it'll work. Actually, no, we can't do that. If you go in there, you can't get back out. So there. And let's put in some more barriers. Like, Right, that should work. So, we're going to put into there some objects. Let's have a look. What can we got? Yeah, we'll have a computer. We haven't had one of them for a while. Create object, yes. Paste that, yes. What colour shall we have this computer? I think it needs to be a different colour. Oh, red. Red would be a great colour for a computer. Because it's... There is very few computers that are bright red, and they're atrocious. They look awful. However, it will stand out, and it'll... Well, actually, it won't in this room. That's kind of the point. It'll look weird, and I kind of like it. So we're going to put that in room 20. And it's going to be right in this corner, the bottom corner. So let's try that. Map. Starting room 20. Test the game. Yes, it's in the right place. Excellent. And objects. We need another object. Let's have a look. What else can we have? We haven't had a rocket for a while. Copy the rocket. Yes. Paste the rocket. Yes. Set that in room 20. Right up in the corner. How are you going to get that one? I don't know. That's kind of the point at the moment. We're testing this out. Nope, that's not a good place to put that. Object position. Sprite positions. Create a sprite. Yes. And Roland will come into this room. There. Test the game. Yeah. Right. Can we actually get these? We can get that one. Certainly can. That's good. Haha! We can't get that. We can't go up there. Can't go anywhere there. Can we go up that? Nope. Interesting. Right, that's okay. We can sort this out. Screen layout. That's it. Presence. That'll work. There. Test. Try this out. Roland can still get that. Yes. Oh! Yes, he can get up there. Excellent. So he's doing alright there. You can get up there. And get that. Not a problem. He's doing alright. So that's good. Excellent. Right, so we've got a good system going here. So let's create some enemies to go in here. Well, we're going to have one going right up and down in the middle. No two ways about it. We've got to have a guy going up and down the middle. And it'll be Evil Sprout type 3. No! Why do I keep pressing enter? Create a sprite, yes. One guy going across the middle. And he'll be a type 4. I think it's type 4. Right. Test the game. So we can get those. Not a problem. Not a problem at all. However, this Sprout guy is going to be an issue, isn't he? Whoa! Went in the wrong place. Well, he can go down and go up. Yep, perfectly fine. So, we need one more object in there. And I think it's time we... No, don't create an object yet. I think it's time we considered having another pudding. See if I can find a pudding to copy the image from. Copy that, create, yes. Paste the pudding, yes. And, starting room 20. Hello to Logan Clary, how you doing? Nice to see you. Nope, that's not the right place. Object, position. Hopefully that's in the right place. Come on, let's test that. Nope, not quite. And object, position. There. That should work. Yeah, that'll work. So now we've got to try and get in and out of there. Should be reasonably easy. Let's go up and over. Yeah, we can get into there. Not a problem at all. Boink and boink. Wait for the sprout to go down. The angry sprout of angriness. Grab that, yeah. And drop. Haha! Straight onto two of them. Oh, getting back down. We've got to make sure this works. We've got to make sure. I think I know how. Wait for that guy to go over. Jump. And wait for the timing to be right. Guys are out the way. Drop. No. Oh. Timing to be right. Get the guys out of the way. Drop a bit. Nope. Right. We need to sort that out. Okay. So if we remove that one. And how about those three there? And move that to here. Think that'll work? See if that works. Okay, test the game. We've got to make it so people can actually play it. Otherwise, it's like, well, how do we justify this? And, yep, still works. Everything still works. And, oh! Jumped straight onto a sprout. We don't want to be sprouting damage to our Roland. Because, you know, when your Roland's damaged, who are you going to call? I don't know what I'm talking about. Yes, so you can get down, and there we are. Fine. It's perfectly fine. And he's out. So there's 3 in there. Objects. What object number was that? 49. Patrick says, as I said, those goblins remind me of bomb. I hadn't thought of that, yeah. So we've got 3 more objects in. I've got to add those to the list. Where's G? If G equals 43. So 3 in there, 46 now. And I've forgotten which object it was. And it's object, which one is it? Object 49. So events, because that is a pudding and it gets a pudding bonus, so object equals 49. If object equals 49, no, not 29, 49, then we add extra score. Score 250. Score 250. Score 250. Score 150. Right. There we go. Latest target looking for a big DVD player to cannibalize. What? Why? What's happened, Patrick? What's going on? Okay, save the game. G. Yes. We have 3 more rooms to add in, and then we've got to work out how to get the end game to work. Because at the moment it just crashes back to the welcome screen for Amstrad, which is not great. Right, map. None there, none there, none there, none. Yes, 1 here. So we go up there. Okay, screen layout C. I love the way it does that. Oh. Oh, so we don't need 1 here. It just looks like it's going at the top. Well, in that case, let's take that one off. And that's fine then. Map. This one definitely goes up, and this is where Jenny's room's going to be. That one goes to the top. So we only have 2 more to get. I'm going to leave the Jenny room for the last. This one goes up, and it's basically to the top of a volcano, isn't it? Yeah, that's a volcano. So, create a new room. Yes. Fill, and go right the way down to the bottom. Fill, and go right the way up to there. So we need, well, let's face it, we've got a lot of smoke. Loads of smoke coming up. This is just basically a room full of smoke and steam and horribleness. So, because it's all coming from that volcano. James Pett says, if you're doing the attic, you need at least 200 model strain sprites. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. Let's put it that way, how we do that. Because they're all going to be objects to pick up, and you're going to have to get them all. But it's going to be difficult because I'm going to fill it with JK logos. And it's basically just going to be JK logos and trains. And I'm going to put one viewing platform. The whole point of this is it goes up to one viewing platform, and that's it. There, it's like a diving board. That's all that's in there. Now, sprite positions, create a sprite. Yes, and it's a Roland, and he comes in there. Sprite positions. No, don't test. Looks horrible in there, but it kind of works. Sprite positions. Create a sprite. Be a guy there, and he'll be type 5. Create another sprite. Yes. Here. Here's a type 5. Press the wrong button, so I've got to scroll back around. Create another sprite. Yes. And here's a type 3. Yeah, right. So, screen let's put in the wall block for this. So, one there, one there, one there, one there, and one there. Okay, objects. What do we have in here? Don't want to have to add more objects at this point, you see. So we'll have a battery, copy that. And this is room 21. Position. Right over in the corner, about there. And I think we have to add this in, don't we? The map. Where is it? Which one does it go above? This one. James Pett says, surely you'll need a camera and monitor for the live streams in the loft. Oh, we could have them as objects to pick up, yeah. Something to consider, looking into other game creation tools on other machines. Yes, I will be doing that, Patrick. Adventure construction set sounds like a great idea. So let's try that. Map. We need to actually test this one. Come on, let's do it. Well, the position's not quite right. And why isn't that guy moving? That doesn't look right, so oh, right. We didn't set his type. That's why he's not moving. Objects, position, that. Test that. So yeah, coming up there, we get that. So that's alright. So, oh, apparently if we... Yeah, well, we'll leave that. That's fine. Right, so they look alright, but we do need to add in some more objects. Like, I'm thinking three more objects. For point-and-click adventure, says James. I think it is a point-and-click adventure creator, yeah. I know on the Amiga there's a shoot-'em-up construction kit as well, which I always found fun, but it's very limited. copy that, create another one. Yeah. Add 21 position, right up in the corner. And objects, yeah. Let's have a weird like Game Gear looking thing. Since we haven't, we've got a Game Boy, but not Game Gear. Ink color can be, yeah. What is this? I have no idea. Come on, red, yeah. Green. And yellow. Blue, green, yellow, and doot. There, that'll do. 21. Position of that. Down here. And see how those go. Test the game. Wow, we've put the positions in the correct place. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So, yeah, they'll work. So that's 3 more objects. Events. Add in those 3. Could make a speaking... Yeah, let's put a speaking spell in. We're going to add 3 more objects. Was that 46? So that'd be 49, wouldn't it? Yeah. And objects. Yeah, 52. So 49. Yeah. Okay, so we're doing all right now. Oh. Create a new object. A speaking spell. Well, they're kind of orangey, aren't they? So. And move to there. Take that one out so that it looks like it's got a handle. Right. This would be where the text goes. So let's have it as a kind of darkish green. Oh, that'll work as a green. And then back to orange. Oh, scroll past the orange. Give me the orange. Come on, you know you want to. Come on. There we are. Good game creator. Good game creator. And the rest of it is text, isn't it? So we'll have doof and doof and doof, doof and doof. And something that's nice and light and not gonna set kids off too much. There we go. Alternating colours to make it look like there's a keyboard there. There we go. No, oh, orange, yeah. Okay. That's, right. Wow, it looks like a cheese grater. Put that and see what happens. Is it in the right place? Haha! It is in the right place, but is it? Yeah, that'll work. So can we get all of these? Let's find out. Climb up and across, out of the way of that guy, and down to here. Got that, yeah. Over to there. That is going to hit us, so jump back up. And across. Got that one. Got that one. And then, yeah, we're out of here. Well, there we are. Right, but we need to make sure that we can't just wander around in that room with it and walk out of the area. So next, go through all the places we've built. Come on, where is it? Here we are. So where's it? That's our book. So we're going to fill the entire thing with these barriers. Like that. Just so that you can't get out of here accidentally by walking off the edge of the screen. I think that's important for a game, for the safety of the game, you know, that you can't just walk out of the area. There we go. Right. Save the game. We've got 4K left. Gee, save the game. Okay, and our screen. Let's go for the map again. So we go back to 0. And set that as our starting position. Screen layouts, yeah. This is where we go up. Final one. Final one. Create a screen, yeah. At the bottom. One, two. So we need the floor, because this is Jenny's loft, so we're going to have floorboards. And floorboards. And we're going to need some walls, aren't we? Where's the walls? Do, 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 to make it look a little bit like it's the roof. Cover that at the top there like that. Because Weir Yard does only slope on 3 sides, so if we're looking at it from the side where it's not, then there is the side there. So let's have a shelf. Because she has a shelf. She has several, actually. And then the layout goes right across. But we do need the ability to actually get up and down from there, so cut that out there and there. Right. Let's think. What else can we put in here? Well, more shelves. Let's have more shelves. It's not going to be an exact replica of Weir Yard, of course, because that would be weird on an 8-bit system. Right. And let's make this interesting, because the code that came with this developer had an example set of code in it, which was very interesting. So if I go to here and to here, like that, and then another one here, then we can have a guy that chases on ladders, which will be interesting. let's see what this guy does. Sprite Positions. Create a sprite type 0, and it'll be him coming up there. Roland will begin there. Again, I've just kept doing it. Sprite Position, create. Yes. JK logo. And this will be a type 1. We haven't seen a type 1 yet. Map. Go to here. And let's see how it works. Test the game. No, that's not where I wanted to start. What's going on here? Oh, for goodness sake. Why did I start? Why? Map. Start. Oh, because we haven't put it in. Map. Let's test this. And it doesn't want to do anything. And that's interesting. Go up, go up, go up! Roland! There, it did it! It went up! It's random! It's random what it does. Go up, Roland! Go up! Go up the damn thing. Right, I'll work out in a minute. Sprite Position, that doesn't work for me. N. Place that one there. Sprite Position, we want another one. And type 1 again. Let's see what happens. They don't really do much different, do they? They can go in any direction, but they don't. Interesting. They just waddle along. Oh well, I was expecting a bit more, but never mind. Sprite Positions. Let's have another one. Liven things up a bit. On this one, we're going to have a cat. And it is going to start here. And it's also going to be type 1, just because we can. Right, let's put some objects in. So we need trains. Where's a train? Copy that. Create an object, yes. Paste a train, yes. We want a different colour though. Let's have a green one this time. Nice bright green train. And there's a light green for the highlights. Actually, just there. It's got different wheels. And that'll start in room 22. Right up at the top. And let's try that out. Is it in the right place? Nope, we need to move it down. And there's the trial and error. We get there in the end, trial and error. That works. Whoa! Why? What? Why? Why is it making these stupid noises? I don't get it. Why is it making the... Weird. It should not be making noises. There's no real reason for noise. It's a... Why are you doing this to me, you horrible, horrible machine? And you smell. Oh dear. Another object, yes. Paste, yes. Gonna have a red one this time. Where's the red? There it is. There you are. So, what colour spout will it have? Well, like that. Like that. And that'll be room 22 as well. Position. See if we can get it on a shelf. Let's see if we can do it. On a shelf. Nope, that's not in the right place at all. Position. Probably need to be up like that. Test that out. Yeah, that works. Let's have a couple more, like 2 or 3 more. Objects, create, yes. Paste. Yes, we haven't had a blue one in here, so we'll keep that. Position of this one, about there, I think. That should get on a shelf. Test. Nope. Needs to go up and across an upper one. Try that. Yeah, right, let's have 2 more and then that should be done. Hey, he went up and down. He went up the thing. Excellent. That is great news. That's wonderful. That's what we wanted. So, let me think of through. Yeah, we can do some more. Objects, new. No, not next, new. Paste. Yes. What color can we have this one? Purple. Why not? We've got any darker colours for the purple? Not really. That's about all we get, isn't it? And again, it's going to have a copper or brass top thing and gold wheels. And this one gets a gold dome as well. Just to make it look a bit different. And room 22 again. Put it in the middle, so we've got a reason to come in the middle of the room. Tried that one out. Nope, didn't quite get it. Try that. James, I will take your... I'll take what you say as gospel for what livery this is, because I don't know. Then that works, and then one more. I think we can get one more in there. Objects, create another one. Yes. What other colours can we have? Something different. Not really much else, is there? Let's have a beige one. It's a weird looking one, this. With a orange top, like that, and like that, and like that. That works quite nice. Dark wheels, and a dark roof. There we go. So room 22 again. Position and right down the corner. See if that works. And test this out. Nope, we need it one across and a little bit higher. Tried that. That works, yeah, right. So we just put in, how many have we just put in? We've got 5 more objects in there. Okay, so events, player control, added 5 more objects. So G needs to be upped by 5 at the bottom on the test. So 54. We have to get 54 objects. There we are. Okay, so now set the map to begin here. Save the game. We have 3.5k left. So we're going to add in one more thing, and that is going to be another variable so that I can work out why this life thing isn't working. So events, game initialization. Lives equals 3. Let h equals 3. That's an extra variable. Player control. Where are the things about the lives? Right, scores. Here are the ones. Right. Add 1 to lives. Add 1 to h. Because I don't seem to be able to do a test on lives at the point that I want to. Add 1 to h. Add 1 to h. If deadly, kill. Subtract 1 from h. Kill player. There it is. If h less than 1, wait key, restart. I believe that should sort it out. Oh, it does not like that. Okay, it allows me to do that. H equals 0. So, G to save game. Let's see if we can get this to work. I need basically a kill screen. Test game. Right. Lives are 2. Lives are 1. No. Didn't work. Why not? Why is this not working? What's wrong? What is wrong? We get the intro screen. I know it works for completing because I've done it. Main loop. What about the main loop? Can I add something into the main loop instead of into kill player? In fact, let's just, yeah, message 4 is what we need. So let's just take all of this out and see if I can put it into here. Actually, let's put it into player control. Let's see if we can do it there. If h equals 0, CLS, let line equals 1, let column equals 1, message 4, wait key, reset. And if. Oh, is it restart instead of reset? I think it's restart instead of reset. Should work. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Restart. Okay, that's why is it not letting me do that? Why not? Okay, this is acting as if this is inside an end if, which it shouldn't. An if check. Why is it? It's moved everything across as if it's inside an end if, an if check even. Oh, there. That's why. Okay, if an end if an end if. Shouldn't be across. Shouldn't have moved across. What's wrong here now? There shouldn't be anything wrong. So this is if objects, right? If and if and if and if. So what's this end if for? Oh, that's the if check on the thing, right? Sound 0, because that should turn the sounds off again. And let's take out that. Right, guys, I'm sorry that it seems a bit like it's stuck now, but I need to work this out. So we can do an if check on G and H outside of anything else, and it'll work because we've got the if check on G. So let's do that. Subtract 1 from H. If H equals 0, CLS, let line equals 1, let column equals 1, message 4, wait, key, restart, and if. Think that'll work. Please let that work. Right, so far so good. Let's see how this goes. Nope, just resets. Okay, what can we do instead? What can we... Right, I've got an idea. Let's take out all of the checks on lives, because we have an issue here. Let H equals 4. Then we don't need to worry about it. If we have a life higher, and then game player control, and H goes down to 1, then we should be okay, because then we'll trigger the check before the lives even hit. Would it? No. I've got it wrong, haven't I? Game initialize it. We need to take lives. Should be 4, and H should be 3 because it needs to be 1 lower. Try that. Test the game. Come on, come on, come on. And then we should bypass the problem of the lives thing and go into the end game. Let's see if this works. Nope. It just really doesn't want. Why can't we do this? I can print a message at any time. I know that I can. G, save game. Because we've printed stuff before. No, map, not map. Text. Message 2, message 3, message 4. Oh no, Roland. So there shouldn't be any issue. Message 4 is there. And message 5 is there. We've done all of this. So text. What's the issue with message 5? Let's do this one. Save that. I think we should be able to get an endgame message, but we can't, and I don't know why. It's just very, very annoying. I just don't get it. I don't understand. I just don't understand. Why can't we do this? Oh my goodness. Right, we saved that, yeah. So, I'm going to start the game. Completely restart. Right, catalog. We don't need the disk stuff. So, erase star dot. Where is it? Star dot. Disk, sorry, dot star. We don't need any of that. Catalog. Run game. It should work. We're going to test it and then we're going to see what happens. Right, here we are. Roland goes rescuing 2. So I'm going to just move the keyboard out of the way and bring the joystick up. We're going to play this game and see what happens. Joystick only. Here we go. Right, come on, we can do this, we can do this. Wait for that guy, move across here. Roland must die. Oh no. Come on, jump up. We can do this, we can do this. So, if we get all of the gifts, I think 54 I think we ended up with, then we should be okay. We should get the game over message that we want. Seriously? My Oh, I have an idea. What if we just put the checks in the end game and have yeah, we could do it that way and just end the game. We'll come back and have a look at that, but let's see how we get on first. See if we can actually finish the game. I have a horrible feeling that I won't be able to, but we'll see what happens. Oh my goodness, I am not good at this game at all. Come on, come on. Come on, Roland. Come on, Roland, you can do it. Yes. Guys, if this all works out, we'll be having a game tonight that's released and everyone will be happy and it'll be lovely. That's exactly what I want. We haven't got there yet, but we're going to try and get there. Whee! All the way through there. As if Roland had not a care in the world. Go up. Roland, go up! Roland, yes, into the land of horribleness. How'd you get around here? Come on, Roland. You know you... Climb the thing. Climb. Go over. Whoa! Hello, Mickey and Jamie on Twitch. How you doing? Let's do this and over. Oh no! No! Come out of the way, cat! Whoa! Yes, that's good. It didn't go up. Oh my goodness! I can't get to the top of my own game. Roland, get out of the way! What are you doing, Roland? Come on. Go up, go up, go up the ladder. Roland, come on. Oh, for goodness sake. Roland. Yes, got it. Well, Roland, go over here. Cheat and go right at the top. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Now we've got the cat and the JK logo just wandering around at the top together. Come on, Roland. Come on, Roland. Down. Yeah. Down we go. Down we go. Down we go. And down. We only have 2 lives left. 17 gifts, though. That's very nice. Boing. Ba ba ba. Bum bum. Right. Drop down a little bit. Wait for the monkey to get out the way. Jump. No, don't jump on the monkey, Roland. What are you doing? Silly, silly. And quits to the game. See, this is the issue. It quits. It just jumps out of the game. How am I supposed to do this? Multi-face poke 63673,01 will change the sprite to look like Roland from Roland on the Ropes or the all-time... No, it won't. It will not. It will not do that. Because Roland on the Ropes is not the all-time best Roland game. Roland Goes Digging is the all-time best Roland game. Roland Goes Digging rocks. Mickey and Jane says, is it finished? It's very close to being finished. It will be finished tonight. I just haven't quite got it yet. Run AGD. Right. I plan to put any sound in it. We're running out of memory, so I haven't done any sound. And also, the sound options in this thing suck. It's terrible. Like, they really do suck. It's awful. Oh, hang on. I need that to be right, not right protected. Yeah. Load game. So we accidentally corrupted a file. Sorry, a sprite. So we got to deal with that. Objects. That one. We accidentally dealt with this wrong. So let's clear that off and sort this out. There we are. So that's sorted out. Save. Right. Events. We're going to sort this out. Player control. No, not player control. Events. Game initialization. So, let lives equal... I'm going to say let lives equals 10 and let H equals 3. Where is it? Color 12. Color 1. Let's see what happens if I change the color. Can I? Have I just set the color for the text? Yes! We can set the color for the text! We can set the color for the text. Oh, that is lovely. We can do. Oh, oh, that's nice. Right. So go back to the game, the restart screen. Oh, we can restart. We can restart the restart screen. That's interesting. I did see the multi-phase perk. Yeah. I don't know what to do with the game. Color 4. Let's see color 4. Let lies extend. Let direction was not border 7. No border. Let's have border 2 CLS color 16. I don't know. Let's see how that goes, and then play initial game. Where's the game loop? Main loop 1. Instead of showing the lives, display H, because we're not going to deal with lives anymore. We're going to deal with H. Player control. H equals 0. Just get rid of all of this. End game. Now, where's the completed game? Yes. Right. CLS. If G equals 54, and if H equals 0, message, was it 5? No, it was message 4. Wait key restart. And if. Let's see if that works. We'll set a color as well, like color 6. I have no idea what these colors are. We're going to work it out later. Color 2. Right. Save the game. Yes. I'm not entirely sure what the colors are. That's the problem. So I could be setting these as anything. Message 4 was the right one, wasn't it? Text. 2, 3. So yes, message 4 was the right one. Try. Wrong. Oh, that's nice. Green. Okay, let's see how. So now I've set it so you can't see any lives or anything else. That's wonderful. We'll work that out in a moment. The messaging is still there. Honest, the messaging is still there. This just... Okay, that's not working out at all now. Events, game loop. Where's the game loop? Okay, that's not where we did it. Game initialization. What color did we set? Set color as 4. Color is 16. So why aren't these working? I don't get it. Color is 8. See if that works. Yeah, that looks great. Now that's wonderful. Right. 3. That is not even dropping the... Oh, that's interesting. It's not dropping H at all. Events, why? Player control. Why isn't dropping H? Kill player. Subtract 1 from H. See if that works. That could explain why nothing was happening. Right. Down to 2. Down to 1. Oh no! Roland has been thwarted in his efforts! G. Right, now we've got a game over screen. Now it's working. Now we're getting somewhere. So, restart. So, I need to bring up the manual now. Give it... Yeah, there's the manual. Alright. Sakura... Okay, game designer software. And the PDF. Chispet says, you have succeeded at failure. The best kind of succeeding. Well, even when I fail, I succeed. That is excellence. So I'm going to bring up the PDF. And we're going to see what is what. Right, I'm going to get this so that you guys can see it as well. There we are. I think you can kind of see it from there. Right, there we go. So, where is restart? I believe it's the restart, or what is it? Where's the commands list? What's the original command? What? There's a thing there. Original. What's that? There's a lot of stuff in here that isn't. Original command. Used after other and spawned command, this reverts to the original sprite. No, so that's not what we want. Okay. Nothing. Nothing is helping here. We've got to work this out, otherwise, what can I do? Where is restart? I know there's a restart command because we've used it. Oh, hang on, I have an idea. What if I just have a look in here, events, actually just to make sure for the, where's the game initialization? Just to make sure you can't possibly get enough lives by some fluke to possibly hit the other way of this crashing. Restart screen, instead of game initialization. What if I copy everything that's in game initialization and just put it into restart screen? What if I just take all of this out and do that? Instead of doing all of that, I bring up what's in the restart screen and force it to do something that way. So I've got this here, my screenshot of what was in that code. Hello, Retro Mickey, how you doing? Long time no see. What if I just type all this in? So CLS, let line equals 1, let column equals 1, color 4, message 5, wait key, let lives equals 100, let h equals 3, let direction equals 0, border 2, CLS color 8, let line equals 2, let column equals 25, message 0, let line equals 5, let column equals 25, message 1, let G equals 0. Right. And then player control, just to make sure that the extra lives are adding to H, which they should be. Yes. Add 1 to H, add 1 to H, add 1 to H. Save all of that. What if this does it? What if that does it? Save game. Remove the preview. I don't need that anymore. Been fighting my mental health, but improving a lot more. I'm glad to hear that. Mental health is the worst. Dealing with that, you're essentially fighting yourself. So we've just done that. Test game. Test game. Roland goes rescuing 2. That was interesting. It went straight to a different screen. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. That is very, very interesting. Oh. No, that's not what we want to do at all. Okay, events. Restart screen. Clear everything out. That's not what we want at all. Let's take all of this out and see what happens, because I don't think we need that. Delete everything from here. Just going to clear the screen and see what happens. No, CLS. That's all I want to do for the restart of the screen. CLS. Save the game. Yeah. See what happens here. Test the game. Start. Okay, so we got to that. So now it blanks the screen every time we die. That's not what I want at all. So events, if we just take everything out of restart screen, just like that. What happens if we do this? Okay. So that didn't change anything. Yeah. And then it just resets. What if we take out the reset from the completed game loop? What if we take the restart out? What if I just do that? Is it smart enough to know on its own it should restart the game? Save game. Oh. I'm glad to hear that you can still watch stuff, Retro Mickey. Just be careful and keep yourself safe, yeah? Okay, let's see if this works. I really wish I knew what the sound issue was on this thing. Right. Is it smart enough to know what to do? No, it's not. I don't know. How can I get it to jump to the initialization? Save the game, G. Thank you. I'm glad you like it. Hopefully we're going to release it today. We've been going since 9. It's now 11:15. Run game. Hopefully we're going to get this to work. Right. The entire thing's self-contained in one file now. It should all work. Here we go. It's still got the problems with the sound. I don't know what that is. Right. See if we can do this. Come on. And then it just... Why? Why is it doing this? It just... It shouldn't quit. Why is it quitting? What am I missing? Oh, don't open... Oh, open... Sorry guys, this is going to slow down. I'll probably get a bit jerky because I decided to open Office instead. That's not what I want. Same thing for everything. It's exactly the same as the file that I've already done. I have a feeling it's not even designed to work the way we're wanting it to. Which is a shame. Right, I have an idea. Okay, yeah, I have an idea. Okay, catalog. What's on this? It's just game. Right, 10 rem, quick loader, and game reset. 20 memory. Oh, what was it? What was it when it... So we can't do this. Reset. Okay, I've got to load this back in. Insert from Sakura. Arcade Game Designer Software. AGD CPC. AGD. Run AGD. You can call... I worked this out. I was talking to Yellow Belly on Facebook Messenger the other day about how he did it. And it was all about memory commands and calling from memory. So if I just grab that, make this so that it's not write protected. Load game. Yes, this is the game. And it should load in just fine. Right, what have we got? I'm not going to even change anything. Test it to make sure that is right. This is the game. Yeah. So, G to save game. Game starts at 13568. Press a key to save game.bin. Didn't really need to do that, but never mind. So 13568. That's what we need to know. Restart. Catalog. Right. 10. Memory. Was it 13568? Yeah, 13568. 13568. 20. Load game.bin. At memory address 13568. Call 13568. And then 40, go to 30. Save as disk. Run. So that's very simple. This game should now call itself back into memory and restart when the lives are done. There we are. It's done. Game's done. Game's done, guys. We're done. Very, very simple disk thing. So, we could now add a loading screen in everything. Because this is perfectly fine. Okay, 5. No, 1. I think with 10 and 30 you need the and symbol in front of the memory. But it worked already for Patrick. I'll do that in a moment. CLS, border, naught, paper, naught, locate, 9 from 12, print, loading. that was very deep, wasn't it? My goodness. Okay, save disk. Run. Now we could put this on a tape and it would just work. The end of the open message looks corrupted. It really does, doesn't it? I don't know what went wrong there. But now, it's all working, aside from that. So let's see. Again, we're going to die horribly from jumping into the goblins. Doesn't really matter which goblin I jump into. There you are. And now it calls itself again, and it's fine. So we have something that works. Let's try and solve this issue with the corrupted message. Roland goes rescuing. Insert a Sakura. Come on, Sakura. Arcade game design software. AGD. Run AGD. Best have mode 1 instead of CL. Very true, Patrick, because then I can do it. Yeah. Okay. T for text. Previous message. Oh, I haven't loaded it yet. No wonder there's no messages there. Getting ahead of myself. Too eager to have this finished. One goes rescuing 2A. Make sure this is not write protected. Load the game. I'd love a copy on tape, says Retro Mickey. I'm going to make a tape file. I'll have to. I can't do it here because I've got to go into the other room and use the Windows computer. Because I know Java CPC has a brilliant system. You can just load things in and it will work. So I'll get that sorted. T for text messages. Previous message. This is it. GameHammer live game coding. And leave it like that. Save game G. Yes. Can anyone remember the code to make sure that when you load something, it doesn't come up on screen with a press play and then any key button? Is it an exclamation mark? I can't remember. Test the game. Have we corrupted a file again? Yeah. Object. Yeah. I thought we'd have to do this. Right, let's quickly just sort out the corruption on this. Every single time we end up with a corrupted sprite. But there we are. Right. G. Save. There we go. Right, we're done. So, reset this again. And catalog. Load. Exclamation mark file. Thank you very much, Patrick. Load disk. List. Edit 1. Border not, paper not. Mode 1. Locate 9, 12. Actually, didn't even get into the middle, did it? Let's say 10, 14. Print loading. Edit 20. Load exclamation mark game.bin. Save disk. Every time it corrupts game coding. It's like it can't do it. Oh well. It's done. It works. Everything runs. That's exactly what we want. And I'm happy. Maybe over Christmas and New Year I'll fiddle around with the sound and make that work. But as far as I'm concerned, it's all working. I'm happy. Oh my goodness, it's all done. We've done it. Oh, guys. I can't put into words how happy I am. I've created a game live on YouTube with you guys here helping every step of the way that has graphics, that looks fun, that's nice to play. We've done it. So I'm going to now close that down. Yeah, maybe I can sort out the glitch another time. It's done. Oh my goodness, it's done. I am so immensely happy. So I'm now going to close these down. 1.0 is complete. It is, and that's the best part. Roland Rescue 2. And I'm going to put that onto my Google Drive and make it available. Just bringing up my Google Drive here. Open up. Come on. There it is. So, Roland Goes Rescuing 2. Replace existing file. Yes. Share it. Get the link. Anyone with a link can view. That's the idea. Link copied. Guys, here it is in the chat. So, there you go. All we've got to do now is play it. So, there we are. It's done. It's finished. It's happy. I'm happy with it. So, I'm just going to create a... Hi, Totoro. Yeah, my neighbor Totoro is the guy. Right, turn the computer on. And load the game. Insert a disk. I'm going to copy this onto my flash drive, USB drive as well, and play it on my own hardware at some point. But again, I can't do that in here. I've got to go through to the Windows computer in the other room, because the Java CPC has a converter. Not Java CPC. The HFE file thing has a converter, and I don't have that set up on the Mac. So catalog. Right, for the last little bit of the show, I'm going to try this. Run disk. I'm going to try and play it. See how far I get on my own game, which I coded. I'm going to be very, very happy if I can do it. So, let's bring it up onto the main screen. Here we go. So you guys have got it as well now. You can download it and enjoy it on a real hardware or an emulator, however you want to do it. I am going to now play. How do I highlight the screen? Right, here we go. I'm going to try and see if I can get all 54 of the objects. Probably can't, but you never know. Hey. Oh, wait for the guy. Yeah, and here we go. Oh my goodness, I almost got hit by that guy there. Oof. Patrick says it's a fortnight of GameHammer games. Roland Goes Rescuing 2 on CPC, version 1.25 of Virgo 1 on the Commodore 64, and even a Christmas special version of Virgo 1. Yeah, you've done well with the conversions. Thank you very much, Patrick. It's been great to have that. Oh no, I just I got hit by a guy. Oh no. After the new year, BBC Micro version of Virgo 1. Yeah, just wait till you see what's coming out tomorrow, guys. It's either tomorrow or Friday. Another GameHammer game. I've been working on it in secret. And you guys might remember Nightmare. Can you beat the challenge? The game book from the 80s based on the TV show. Well, I am converting Game Book 1 to a choose your own adventure style game where you only have to make some selections on the computer screen. And that will be coming out again for free for Christmas. Hopefully tomorrow. But I don't know whether it will be tomorrow. It depends on whether I finish the coding. So either tomorrow or Friday, Saturday at the very latest. So yeah, 2 games for free, and there you go. Oh, thanks, Richard Mickey. I appreciate that. So I'm going to have fun with that. Let's see how far I can get with this. So we've got 9 gifts so far and 3 lives. The long-awaited All Over the House game. Patrick, I actually have a game design in mind for the All Over the House game. I just haven't done it yet. Whoops. So that's going to be fun. The game for based on All Over the House is called Catch 'em. Dr. MacGuffin has got the briefcase and you have to catch him. And it's a daft game. You just have to basically run around and grab a briefcase and get back to your home position before someone else can grab the briefcase off you and get back to their home position. It's just a bit of fun. See how this goes. So, got 12 of the gifts so far. Be amazed if I manage to get... Whoa! Roland just keeps jumping and jumping there. Get over there. Oh no, he jumped. Roland, go up the ladder. What is wrong with you? For goodness sake, Roland. I can't beat my game. I can't beat my own game. Oh, well, there you are, guys. That's Roland Goes Rescuing. We have completed a game. I'm going to send the news out and all of that, and we'll see how it goes from there. But thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope you have enjoyed this, and I hope you have a great rest of the evening. I'll be back on Friday with GameHammer, even though I've got scars on my face at the moment because of the cold sore. I'm still going to make the review I've got of Metal Slug 3 and get that finished because it's really annoying me that I haven't had it yet. There'll be a Christmas GameHammer as well. And then also the Game of the Year for, I think it's 1987 we're up to, but don't quote me on that because I can't remember off the top of my head. So I've got to work on those. That's going to keep me busy for the moment. But I hope you have a great day. Next week is GameHammer Live, the normal show again. The last one of the year because we've just finished live game coding. But I hope you enjoy it. Have a great evening. Take care. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you all have a really nice evening. Bye-bye. And if I don't see you beforehand, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye-bye. Any vlogs, says Patrick. The vlogs are coming. I've got 2 to do. One of them happens to be a big unboxing thanks to the parcel that you sent me, which is very nice. Thank you very much. And the other one is the one that I didn't do the other day because I've been swamped for the last 4 to 6 days just trying to blitz through a load of video editing. So yeah, the vlogs are back as well, but I will be taking Christmas and New Year off from the vlogs as well, just because I want some time off. I am exhausted. It's been a hell of a couple of years, let's put it that way. So, thank you so much, guys, for joining me. I hope you have a great evening. Take care. Have a great night. And again, if I don't see you beforehand, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye-bye. Where's the button to